this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this interlocking gatefold card with the Fond of Autumn bundle. This is my interlocking gatefold card. The Fond of Autumn bundle is perfect for creating these because it has this large image, and the dies you can use to either cut out 4 separate pieces or one whole piece. So I'm gonna cut out the 4 separate pieces. It also has this fun banner to go with the sentiments, as well as dies for the flower, leaves, and acorn. So I've started off with an old olive card base. It is 11 by 4 1/4, and I've scored it at 2 3/4 and 8 1/4, so that when I fold it in half, it'll be 5 1/2 inches wide. Then I have cut 2 pieces of 2 1/2 by 4 from the Design a Daydream designer series paper. This can be found as a hostess item exclusive to hostesses in the annual catalog. So if you are a hostess or place a $150 order, you can purchase this for a discount of $18 instead of $24 as a host. And it has 24 sheets with all these lovely designs. So that's the design that I chose in the old olive. But it has pool party and so I'm just going to adhere these 2 to the front. And then for the inside, I stamped thank you and some leaves and acorns. So I'm gonna go ahead and stamp the thank you and the leaves in old olive. For the leaves, I'm gonna use a little scrap paper because I wanna stamp them off a little bit. And I will do 3 leaves. Actually, maybe I should do 4, and that way I'll have an odd number when I finish. And then I'm gonna do soft suede for the acorns. And then I'm just going to color them in with the blends. So I'm just going to add a little dark to all the veins of the leaves. All right, so that's all the coloring for the inside of the card. All right, so now for the image outside of the card. I have stamped the image in Memento, and I'm gonna show you how the image goes together. So like that, and then this piece goes over here, and this piece fits in right there. And so this is the die that cut that out into these 4 pieces. And I've colored it with rich raspberry, old olive, soft suede, and crumb cake. So now I'm going to start with the middle image and place it where I want it. And then I'm only going to put dimensionals on one side. So I'm going to put them over here on this side here. And again, place it where I want it. And then I can add the other pieces. And there we have our interlocking gatefold card. So this card is a part of the free card kit that I'm offering when you purchase this bundle. There'll be supplies for 6 cards, 2 of each of these 3 designs. So order the bundle using my current host code or place a $50 order using my current host code and email me and let me know that you would like this Fond of Autumn card kit and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial on the Fond of Autumn bundle. I hope you are now fond of this bundle as much as I am. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and leave a comment, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.